How to add text and text animations on CapCut. Now, so to get started, let's head over to our CapCut, okay? And this is the part where we have to import our project. So we click on New Project. Let's use this one for example.
Documents or information.
Click on Add, and here it is. Now to work on your videos, look at this down place that says Edit, Audio, Text, Overlay, Effects, Captions, all those things. If I want to add a text to my video, tap on Text, click on Add Text, and type whatever it is I want to type. This, that, whatever we want to type, and we choose the style we want. We want to use something like this red one. You want something like this. Depending on the font style you even want, you can even choose to use this particular font. There are so many fonts available here on CapCut. For every one you choose, always check it to finalize it. So you have to click on this check icon. So that is the text. You can decide to adjust the size by dragging this place, dragging. Now, if you want to edit our text, let's assume you made a mistake in the text area. All you have to do is click on this pencil icon at the top corner, and then we adjust our text. Okay, so whatever it is you want to write, and check it. Good, and drag it to wherever it is you want the text to appear. If you want to make a copy of it, you duplicate it by clicking on this down area. The text is double now, you see, but of course you don't, so you have to undo. We might want to add animations to some things. For example, click on this our text. Let's say you want to add animation effect to this our text. When we click on this, we scroll over to the place that says animation. Click on animation. There are so many. There are pro versions, there are also free versions. Okay, let's use these free ones. For example, let's use this one. You see, let's even use this typewriter one. Notice the text has animation added to it. Now let's go back and play that text area. The text is appearing.
Now, for this CapCut, if you're even using your mobile phone, it's the same process. And then if you're using the desktop version, you can install CapCut on your laptop and edit your video. It's just the same thing. And once again, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you will always get notified whenever I make new videos. I'll see you when I see you.